SB19 now flying to Rome after their Dubai successful concert. SB19's Dubai Simula at Wakas concert at the Coca-Cola Arena is a huge success. At hindi pa man tayo tapos sa pag-celebrate at pagnamnam sa mga events sa naturang concert, heto at bibiyahin na naman ang ating mahalima at ang buong team papuntang Rome, Italy for their Sama sa Roma event.
Hi, Pablo.
Now, as SB19 is part of the Jubilee Year celebration of faith and culture in Rome, let's refrain from engaging in bardagulan and fun wars. Tandaan, this is an important event of SB19 not just as artists, but as faithful followers of Christ.